Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to flip text in Canva. Let's get into it. First, type your words. The first step is to add the text you want to use to your blank page. You need to have your words ready before you can change how they face. Click on the text button on the left side of your screen and pick any style. Type in the words you want to change and make sure they are exactly what you want for your task. You must have your words on the page first so you can use the tools to flip them. Next, select your text box. You need to tell the computer which box of words you want to flip. Use your mouse to click directly on the text you just typed. You will see a small box appear around your words. Clicking the box lets the computer know that this is the specific part of your design that you want to move or change. Next, open the magic tool. Now you are going to use a special tool to help you change your words. You're going to use the magic right tool found near your text box. Look for the option that says Transform Text from the list of choices. This tool uses smart technology to help you make changes to your work very quickly. Next, type the prompt to flip. The final step is to tell the computer exactly how you want your words to move. Type in the prompt with something like flip the text into the box. Press enter and watch as the computer changes your words for you. Instead of doing it by hand, the smart tool does the work for you. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To flip text in Canva, type your words, click the text box, open Magic Write, and type a prompt to flip. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.